Okay, so my eyeshadow's fully done and I'm just going to apply my primer before I excuse me, do my foundation. I use the Fenty Pro Filter primer. Out of all the primers that I've tried so far, I feel like this one is the best. I feel like it's great for combination skin. So I'm just making sure that's evenly applied everywhere. Right here, I'm putting on my Fenty, not my Fenty, my Fit Me foundation in the shade Nutmeg. So I'm just putting some foundation on the back of my arm. I'm going to use my Morphe foundation brush. And before I apply, I like to spray my brush with setting spray. Alright, so I'm just hitting that forehead, y'all, making sure my foundation is evenly applied all over my face. So I'm just about done with that, but you gotta make sure you got all the important spots like your forehead, your neck, side of your face, your chin, all those good spots. Right now, I am going to get ready to apply some concealer for my highlight, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro in the shade Suede. And so I actually like to use two concealers, one that's a little lighter at the beginning of my under eye, and then one that's just a little bit darker towards the middle. So this is me applying the first shade. And there you have it. That's my complete look. I'll be making a tutorial for this eyeshadow look soon. Thanks for watching. Love you all.